All right, guys, if you have a Ford F-150, whether it's a 5.0 or the EcoBoost 2.7 or 3.5, and you feel like it's hesitating or it's down on power or it's sputtering when you step on the gas, chances are it's going to be your ignition coil. You'll probably get a code that's like P301-306, and the 01, 02, 03, all the way up to 6 will tell you exactly what cylinder is misfiring, and it's probably going to be your ignition coil. I replaced my spark plugs about 10,000 miles ago, so I knew that they were good. Truck was running fine, but these ignition coils, you can get a voltmeter, and you see those pins there. You can check resistance, and you should be getting 0 resistance or OL. Another way to test them is get a hot stick voltage tester and put it on the ignition coil when it's running, and it should be a solid red light flashing. If it's dim or not flashing at all, you know that your ignition coil needs to be replaced. These are super easy. It took me about 2 minutes just to replace this coil. You take the cover off. Make sure you have an 8mm for this bolt that goes here, and then 10 millimeters for the plug. But super easy. I bought mine at my local dealer for $100, but you can find them for $70. I only got it because I didn't want to wait the 3 to 5 days. But if your truck is sputtering, misfiring, hesitating, jerkiness on acceleration, this is going to be it. Once you put this in, the code should go away, and you'll notice that it'll feel good as new again. But these aren't a routine maintenance item. I mean, you could replace them when you replace your spark plugs, but they usually don't. They usually go out individually. So when they do go out, the computer will tell you. So hope this video helps you guys if you have any issues with your truck misfiring.